Your parents will thank you for the best cup of coffee they've ever had. Sterling Pro's latest French press does many things, including tea, hot chocolate, fruit infusions, and more. The double-wall construction provides a greater degree of insulation, preventing your brew from losing heat. The innovative two-screen filter system captures all the grounds, so you won't have any nasties in your brew. Sterling Pro offers a 20% discount on Amazon orders. Just use the coupon code SterlingPro2 when ordering. Order yours today, and don't forget your discount. Click on the link in the description for more information.